Swiftly moving on. Do you know what? Let's try our new little feature. Is it that we tried last year? Do you see last month's, Beth?
Of course I've seen it. Watch it every time.
It was a shambles because all our staff weren't doing what we thought they'd be doing. Like we had Mr. Ryan Strong and now looking at pictures
I know.
of
What was he doing?
Crazy, wasn't it? Absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
What were they playing at? Like Naomi, Christy, Crazy Bacon. I mean, come on, innit?
Absolutely.
Should have been studying and researching, you know? But anyway, we thought that this would be an amazing opportunity because youth clubs are shut down because of COVID. So what we're doing is we're out on the streets. We are going to where young people are, hanging out in parks, in alleyways, in anywhere, skate parks.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we decided we would go live every month to people on the streets.
I'm really excited about this.
I'm really excited as well. So let's have a little look. Okay, so we've got a couple of people lined up.
I can't wait.
I know, it's his class. So we're going to go live. This is actually live to our youth workers on the streets in RCT. Let's see what they're up to. I hope they ain't in pubs and stuff.
Oh, I know. That's my worry.
All sitting down.
All sitting down. Get up. We're going live. March. Walk around a bit like you're sweating a bit. Here we go. Let's go to the first one. Let's try Mountain Ash. Let's try Mountain Ash. I feel like it's like, what's that song contest now? Eurovision Song Contest.
I know.
We're going to go now to Mountain Ash. Here we go.
Love Mount.
Oh, pretty.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Yes, Taylor.
It is.
Good evening.
On the streets, come on.
How are we?
Handsome and warm as ever.
I chose a good moment when like loads of people, not kids, but like loads of people started turning up and they think, what is he doing? And it's just started raining.
They started giving him money.
Literally just started raining.
Yeah, you're singing for money.
Hey!
So,
hello.
Tell us where you are, Lee.
Middle of Mountain Ash Town Centre in the rain by the Christmas tree. We thought we'd come to the Christmas tree tonight just to give you a bit of a. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. It's cold. It's pretty quiet and cold. And now it's just started raining. So
what nights are you out in Mountain Ash, Lee?
Monday and Wednesday, 5 till 8. Yeah,
5 till 8 o'clock. And you cover the whole Mountain Ash area?
Yeah, we got to Gwanaiva Park, down at the town, the train station, Taff Trail, Penrith Tint, up into Fernhill.
The chip shop.
All over. Friary on a there's other chip shops available.
No, obviously, Lee, I'm a tint boy, right? You need to go to Mary's Fish Shop.
Is it good? Or
Best chippy in town, man, honestly.
Who owns that?
Oh.
Yeah, who owns it?
Or you can nip up the Brintirion, pop in my mother's if you want a cup of tea, tell her I sent you, right?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Excellent.
It's fresh. Yeah, it's good though.
Lee,
everybody have a good night?
Yeah,
all
really
good.
Everybody's
All
going
good.
well on YEPS TV.
Amazing.
I got to be fair, mate. It's quite warm where I am.
I'm
nice and toasty, to be fair.
I'm not allowed to turn heating on in my house, so I feel you.
It is cold, and I got a wet phone now as well.
Have a good evening, both.
Thanks for joining us.
Hang on, we've got a question early.
Oh.
How many steps have you done?
Oh, we've done about 12,000 steps so far tonight.
Not bad. Not bad.
We aim between 15 and 20, so we're going to go off again now.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, Lee Taylor and Naomi, thank you so much. You've been on the street.
Thank you very much. Take care, both.
Mountain Ash. Whoop, whoop.
Bye.
Class, love it. Okay, we've got more people waiting. Let's go to. Should we try a Rhondda?
Let's try it.
Yeah.
Let's get the satellites
beaming in. Who have we got?
Hello.
Martin.
Oh, good evening.
Come on. Who have we got there? I can see. Is that Reese?
Hello, everyone. Hello there.
Yes. Park up teas in. Park up teas in the house.
Good evening.
How's it going out in the streets here, Mark?
Yeah, well, we also found the Christmas tree.
Nice.
Do you have a Christmas carol, though?
No. Lee beat us on that one. How were we to know?
So where are you in what areas are you covering tonight, Mark? What areas are you covering tonight, Mark?
We are, sorry, which area are we in?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, right. So we're doing Porth. Right now we're just over at the cenotaph. because some young people told us that they come here occasionally. We've been to the train station a few times, up to Porth Park, through the town centre, just chatting to everyone that we see, really.
Nice.
Perfect. Rihanna's loving the Christmas trees.
Yeah, they love
it. Thank you, Rihanna.
Lovely.
We'll have to choose the best one.
Yes, loving it. All looking great. Woo.
Oh, cool.
Brilliant. Martin, who's that? Reese there?
Yeah, Martin.
Hey, Reese, go in, Carl. I can't see who's in the back. Who's in the back?
Is it Gareth?
Lucy's at the back.
Lucy.
Lucy.
Guys, keep it up. Keep it up. You know what it's like. Keep them steps going. Keep nice and warm like Carl is there now. Come on. Keep it going. Thank you so much. Anybody around this area, go and see them. Go and see them. Guys, thank you so much.
Thanks. See you soon.
Take care.
Bye.
And we got one more. I'm loving this. This is great.
Tree.
It's like roving reporters.
Love it.
It is cool.
So let's go to where we been? We done Cynon, we done Rhondda. Let's do Taff.
Ooh.
Hello.
Dan.
Good evening.
You're never going to believe this. I had a nice Christmas background, but I just knocked the lights off. They knocked the lights off. Knocked them all off behind us.
No.
Where are you, Dan?
We're in Pontypridd town tonight.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice. What's going on down there?
Lots of young people about.
Nice.
Lots going on. Yeah, it's a fab night to be out.
Good.
You're looking very warm.
It's so nice, Dan. So nice, like.
Yes, that won't be the cold.
Dan, who are you with tonight?
So I'm with Tracy.
Tracy
how's it
loves
going?
being on
Good to see you, Trace.
Oh, perfect.
So, Dan, you got lots of young people out in Ponty Town?
Yeah, lots of young people. They seem to be out on every corner. I think we are around 25 young people we've engaged with so far this evening. We still have a few hours left. So, yeah,
loving it. Yeah. Keep up the good work. Rihanna says, get down by the tree.
It's too noisy by the tree.
It's too noisy. Yeah, we did tell you to go somewhere quiet, so that was good.
Yeah.
Dan, keep up the good work, you and Tracy.
Yep.
Yeah, thank you very much, both.
Take care, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Keep warm. Keep safe.
I love Tracy.
That's an amazing feature, isn't it? So
that's so cool. Like,
if you're out and about, probably anywhere in Rhondda and Taff during the period of a week, you will have YEPS workers walking around, either in or very close to your area. So, feel free to come and say hello and ask if you've got any questions. Or if you want to ask for advice and you'd rather do it in person, something's bothering you in the evening, you can come and speak to us in person and we'll tell you about some other ways.
As you can see with all them workers there, they all got the blue branded coats on.
Yeah.
So if you're walking around and you're seeing us with the blue, just come and say hello. Honestly, just come and say hello. Because we can't be in youth clubs, then obviously we need to be out on the streets with you guys. So, yeah, come and say hello.